Now we are looking at HTML links. So HTML link, we have the internal and the external link. So let's start with the internal link. Please pay attention to this aspect very well. Okay, so let's just quickly change this topic, this title here to link or links. So HTML links. So what I want to do now, this is like my first HTML document here. That's index.html. So let me just write something like h1. This is my first page. Okay. Okay, so this is my first page. Let's check the browser. So this is my first page. Okay, now what I want to do now, I want to create another page, another HTML document entirely. So let's create a new file using the same process. So open to the click on file, click on new file entirely. So let's create a new file using the same process. So open to the click on file, click on new file. So new file, we need to save it next. So save. I want to save it inside the same tutorial folder, and this time I'll give it another name. Let me just name this one as second. Trying to select my second page after that first one. So select HTML as usual, and click on save. So this is my second .html document. So let me click dot, type, enter. Let me just name this one as second doc. I'm just naming a second doc. Okay. Then I'll put a paragraph. Let me just use heading. Since heading is kind of big, paragraph is kind of tiny. Let me just use heading 1 again. This is my second page. So I just created. Now I now have 2 HTML documents here. Let me just show you. Let me run the second page for you so you will see it. Okay, you can see this is the second page. This is my second page. This was the first one. This is my first page. Now what we want to do now, I want to show you how to link one page to another page. Okay, so this is the first page. Okay, so I want us to link it to this other page by clicking somewhere in this first page. So how are we going to do that? So this is how we are going to do that. So the first thing to do here, we're going to introduce a new tag called which is the A tag. Okay, so I'm going to introduce a new tag entirely. So I want to start with a text. Click me and take me to the next page. Okay, so I just put in some text here now. I want to show you something. Click me. Should I use click me? Okay, let me use this click me. And is this me in particular I want to use, whereby if I click me, it will take me to this. Okay, I'm actually in the second page. Oh, no. Let's do it in the first page. You can try to do it in the second page, so it's just your choice. Okay, let me just do it in the first page. Save. Let me do it in the first page. Okay. So let's get another tag. So I want to use the paragraph. So click. Let me use smaller tag. Click me to go to the next page or document. Now I want this me to be a link. Mind you, we are doing HTML link. Okay, so I want it to be a link, and which means it's going to be underlined in my browser. Okay, so but for now it's not underlined. You can see it's just a normal paragraph text. If I click on this me, nothing is happening. Rather, it's even highlighting. So how are we going to do that? So that's what I want to show you now. So I'm going to introduce a new tag. Okay, so that new tag is letter A. So that's it. Is the letter A. Let me put the me in between them. That's it's not as if it's composite is me. I'm just using an example. You can put anything. Maybe if it's a link or something, or you can put something like click me or click here. Stuff like that. You would have seen it in a website before. So whereby if I click on this to take me to this other page. So that's not all you need to do yet. After you've introduced the A which is the anchor tag. Okay, A stands for the anchor tag. Then you have to put in some attributes. So I've mentioned attributes before. So the attribute you are going to put is the link to reference where it should take you to once you click that mail. So I want to take me to this second.html. So I'm going to write second.html. You can see the beauty about Visual Studio Code. It's already giving me the hint of what I want to code. So if you click on it, it just write it for you like that. So this is where it will take me to once I click on me. So let me save this. I just save this now. Then let's go to our browser. I will reload. Okay, it's already reloaded since I'm using a live server. Okay, so you can see now this me now looks like a link. Okay, look like a link. You can see it is underlined and it's called. If I click on it, you can see it has taken us to the second page. If I go back, you have experienced using different website or browser or blog posts. Okay, so that's how they usually do that. Go back, come. So stuff like this. Now, the way you can do it that to take you to a new tab entirely. You can, if you notice, this is we're using one tab here. So tab is, in case you don't know what tab is, like for instance, I want to create another tab. I'll click on this plus sign. You can see it has taken me to another tab. I want to create another, I'll click on this plus sign. So let me just cancel this. So there's a way you can do that, whereby once you click on me, it just takes you to another tab, so it won't interrupt this page. This page will still be open. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Now, for you to do that, you have to put another attribute called target. So I'm going to write target equal to, put your quotes, then see that line I did down, then write blank, save. Okay, so that's the attribute I just used now, save. Now let's check the browser again. Reload. Okay, it's already reload automatically. I'm forgetting I'm using a live server. Okay, so then just click on me. Click. You can see how it takes us on that page entirely. It didn't take away this page. This page is still here. It takes us to a new tab entirely. So that is how to do that. You would have experienced something like this too before in different web page that will take you to another, open a new tab already in your browser without affecting this initial one here. So that's how they usually do that. So don't forget, just add another attribute called target, then put this line blank. Okay, so blank. Okay, so this aspect we have been talking about here is what we call the internal HTML link method. Okay, so we're just doing the internal. Now let's try the external. Okay, so let's try the external. This time around I want to let me just quickly connect my internet, because the external will involve may involve kind of like internet means. So let me just quickly connect my internet to my Wi-Fi. A minute, please. Okay, I just connected it now. So now let me show you what the external link looks like. Now, if for external link, mind you, this internal link, the reason they use the word internal because it's everything is still within my folder. You can see everything is still within this tutorial folder. I'll open this folder. You can see it is internal of this folder. Now, talking about external, that means talking about something that is out of your folder. It doesn't have anything to do with your own particular folder or document. Okay, so that is external link. So let's say for instance now you want this click me, whereby if someone click on this click me to take the person to Facebook or something like that. So I'm going to write the external link of Facebook, which we know as facebook.com. So facebook.com. So save. Now let's go back to the browser. So if I click on me, it will take me to Facebook. I just click on it now. You can see this is the URL of Facebook. I expect it to work. Okay, wait, I've not on my internet. Let me on it now. Okay, let me cancel this. Let me click it again. So me, you can see the page is loading. So this is Facebook. So you can use it to refer to other sites too. So that's just the difference about internal and external links. Okay, so it's not saying it's compulsory. It must only be files that concerns your own website. So that's how to input external links. So there are other features of external link also do. Like for instance, let me quickly start a new line. Okay. So you can actually refer someone to Google websites or even letsysale.com So stuff like that. I even supposed to use my own website stuff, Facebook. But anyway, you understand the point. So that's just it. So even if you want to refer to like Gmail accounts, whereby a person click something like email us or all those about us page. So click here to email us or click here something like that in some websites. Email us, call us. If you click on it to email them, it's going to take you straight to your email box. Or if you click on that call us link, to just take you directly to your phone call and the number will be there to call the person. So let me quickly show you how to do these two aspects very quickly. So first, I want to use the email us your info aspect now. So I'm going to write the anchor tag. And I'm going to put email in between them. I want the email to be the link. So email, let me just email us your info. Now you have to put the attributes of the anchor tag, don't forget. So href. Now for the aspect of email, this is a standard. Write mail to, then put this column like this. Then you have to put in the email address here. Okay. So just put in your email address like that, and it will refer straight to that email address for you to send message to. So the same thing for the call us aspect. So email us or call us. So I want that call to be a link. So I'm going to put call here. Let me just put the us, call us. Okay. So now the call will be a link. Now we have to put attributes, an attribute for that call. So use the href again. So the href, then use the standard. For this aspect, you are going to use tel. Okay, tel, put the column like this, then put in your phone number. Actually, if you want phone number, actually, if you want to use this format, you can use the format, or you can just use it directly, write your number. I think it's best to just use this format. Okay, so if any user click on this call link, it will take your phone, to take the person to your phone number to call. So let me go back to this. You can see call, email us. Let me click on this email us. Let's see. So you can see it's asking me mail to. Has shown me an email box for me to select this app to email the person. So I would have loved to click on this call box, but it won't work in this my Windows because of this is not a phone per se. So if you assume it was your phone, once you click on this call us, to take you to your phone contact caller aspect. So that my number will show in your phone where I can just call.